Well, hello once again, and welcome back to 16 years with Arctic Free. Right, I thought this river couldn't get any higher, and it went all the way back down yesterday. And then, of course, Mother Nature went, oh, right. I mean, everywhere's just flooded. I suppose we're going to have a look at the older waterfall, see how that's going, roaring, torrenting, whatever you want to make it out as. But yeah, it's a hell of a lot higher. I mean, yeah, you just gotta look at it. Just as well I'm not going anywhere today, because that was almost underwater back there. I'm guaranteed that's underwater now. I mean, can't even put it into perspective. If you can just about see that little tree there, and then the bush behind it, that's how wide the river usually is. And now it's basically up to the wall down here, and it's coming all the way from over in the ruins. I really did not think it could get any bigger or more powerful, but Mother Nature has that way of just saying, you know what, I'll bet I can. I bloody bet I can. Oh God. Is the bridge still here? Yes, it is. Woo! Oh, I know it's might be boring to some of you. You know, they just say, oh, you're just reporting on the same river day after day after day. But, you know, seeing the power of Mother Nature, because it's a snow melt the first day with a little bit of rain, and then lots of rain, and now a hell of a lot more rain. But it went all the way back down. Sorry about that. Don't want to see that, do you? Ooh! Ooh! Yeah, man. Well, if you compare the videos, you'll be able to see what I mean. Oh my word. Just in that rock basically, from over there's not just look at it. All the way up here now. Spewing out of there. Just torrents of it. Just absolute torrents. Look at it! This is even coming up past here now. Craziness! Oh well, go and see what he's doing up the other end. See